This is the new car. Oh. Jimby,
Hey, buddy.
what are we doing, mate?
Put my reflecting on.
Off the reflection, mate. Nice sticky taped on. Got that 3M goodness.
Oh, it was off brand 3M.
You want to do me intro for me?
Welcome to Project Driveway, where we like to pop it and chop it.
Yeah, perfect, bro. Hey, nice stickers, cuz.
I got them from some fucking idiot.
Bro. Bruh. Some bootleg stickers.
That was Mark at the roundabout last night in Williamstown.
That was fun as
That's a blip with the Lexus front end.
Hey, cuz, do you mind if I record a video?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Yeah?
How not to put coilovers in 101 in a 110? Yeah, nah, fuck.
Got TRD springs, though.
Yeah, man, she's lowered. Don't worry.
That's sick.
Full TiVo as well.
Oh, the TiVos.
The TiVos, mate. Don't worry. I'm gonna get a hammer in a minute and fucking send this thing out of my fucking stratosphere. He was in the wrong gear. He was in the wrong gear, boys. Wrong gear. But today on Project Driveway, we are going to
Oh,
fucking throw shit
fuck's
everywhere.
sake. Shut up.
and try and do coilovers on a 110. Try to. With fucking rubber everywhere. Oh, we'll see where we go.
Make sure you talk it to
Stay tuned. She pegs, mate. She pegs. She spins in second,
I
but
didn't even notice it. Jimby got some second-hand wheelies. What colour we going?
We're going with anodized clear coat.
What?
Anodized color coat. Purple. But I didn't buy the anodizing base, so it's gonna look fucking terrible.
So that's just a clear colour coat. The
Yeah,
fuck?
it's like a clear. It's like a dyed clear coat.
Oh,
supposed
it's
to
a
put it-
transparent.
Yeah. So it's gonna be transparent. So
Do you have black spray paint? You put black underneath, because that's a transparency. Yeah, let's do
I
a
think
tester.
I think I need a silver.
Let's do a tester. Where's your? No. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let dry. That's it. It's kind of a bad example. Do we have cardboard? It's just full of silicon. Yeah, see how transparent it is? You need like a black
Yeah, that's why
or a
I
silver.
didn't know I needed a base coat. So
Does Darcy have any paint?
I don't know, maybe. Even like a primer.
It's got a repair on it, mate. It's been repaired.
Yeah, there's cracks on both that have been repaired.
She's had a bashy.
That's why the skidders. That's why they're $300.
Skidders.
But they fit me.
Yeah, mint.
On this episode of Project Driveway, we've got too many cars in the driveway.
This ain't a driveway, bro.
A Camry, and then another Camry, Camry, and then
Hey, can I borrow your guard roller? I need
Tinny,
Tinny.
and then there's two Camrys out there.
Yeah, look how fucky my zoom in is. You ready? Wait for this app zoom in.
Ooh, they do be Camrys though.
They still do be Camrys.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think that's better.
Smells like berries.
Berries. You having a stroke?
I want to sniff it.
Yeah, I think we'll definitely do the silver first.
Well, yeah, it's a better colour than the brown under it, I guess.
Yeah.
Well, look at that. That's dark.
Yeah, it definitely brings out the vibrancy.
Yeah, it makes it lighter. The more coats you put that on, the darker it'll go too.
Oh, there's some mad wheels, bro.
Huh?
They're mad wheels.
Yeah, bro. Here comes Japan. Cheers.
Oh, yeah, it's a
You
missing.
should zoom in on the build date of these tires, bro.
Sorry, bro. My camera fucks up when I zoom in. All the colours go nuts for some reason.
What are these two? Oh, fuck, little bit weird.
Do you reckon we should get a grain machine and mod it with these rims?
Do it.
Won't do anything though.
Where's the fucking build date on these nuts?
They're over here.
Yeah, no, I was looking for it. It's probably just flipped and on the other side.
Here we watch two people try and find the date.
Yeah.
31st, 07.
12-year-old.
31st month of fucking
Bro, that was
2007.
important on these.
Big polish. Good work, Jimby. Doing good, cuz. What do we got over here, mate? How you going?
Rears are in.
Yeah, you didn't need the spaces or whatever.
No, we good. We just pinched it as hard as we possibly could. So
Yeah, mint.
we caused an issue on the way home. I like drop the arms and put in.
Yeah, bloody oh.
But I'll swap tires over because this side I've got an open dip. So
This side's worse than the other.
yeah, a little bit. So I might change it up a bit.
Bloody
But sitting in the air, it's a lot fucking low already.
Yeah, already.
It was about down here. Now it's up.
Have you done the other side?
Yeah, it's all
Oh,
done. So I'm putting both back wheels on, dropping it. Hoping for the best.
Mint.
So fuck.
Fucking mint.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, boy. Tucking.
Oh fuck! Okay, so that 10 wheel definitely works.